Welcome back to Future Drive, the channel where we bring you the latest updates about upcoming cars, bikes, and futuristic rides. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic and most loved motorcycles across Asia, the brand new 2026 Honda CD70. Yes, the king of fuel economy, reliability, and everyday commuting has received a fresh new model, and we're here to give you the complete breakdown. The Honda CD70 has always been a legend on the roads, known for its durability, simple mechanics, and low running cost. Since its launch decades ago, it has dominated the 70cc category like no other bike. Now, in 2026, Atlas Honda has introduced the updated version, and while the core identity remains the same, there are some exciting refinements that make it stand out. Let's talk about the design first. The new Honda CD70 model carries forward its signature slim and sleek frame, but Honda has given it a fresher, more modern look with updated graphics on the fuel tank and side covers. The stickers are sharper, more vibrant, and designed to appeal to the younger generation. The chrome elements are polished to a mirror shine, giving it a more premium road presence while still keeping that classic CD70 vibe that people trust. Moving to performance, the 2026 Honda CD70 is powered by the same legendary 72cc 4-stroke air-cooled engine that has been refined over the years. But Honda has made it more efficient and compliant with modern emission standards. This means you still get the same robust engine performance but now with smoother throttle response and better fuel combustion. For the average rider, this translates to an unbelievable mileage of around 70 to 75 kilometers per liter, which is exactly why the CD70 has always been the #1 choice for daily commuters and students. One area where Honda has improved is the build quality. The 2026 model comes with a stronger frame and better welds, which ensures durability on rough roads. The suspension has also been slightly tuned for improved comfort during long rides. The seat remains wide and cushioned, ensuring both rider and passenger feel comfortable, even on bumpy city streets. Another subtle but important update is in the gearbox. The 4-speed constant mesh transmission feels smoother than before, making gear shifts lighter and more user-friendly, especially for new riders. Maintenance is also as easy as ever. Spare parts are readily available across the country, and mechanics know this bike inside out. That's one of the biggest strengths of the CD70. You never have to worry about expensive repairs or long waiting times. Now let's get to what everyone wants to know, the price. The all-new 2026 Honda CD70 comes with a price tag of around $165,000. While some might feel this is higher compared to older models, it's important to note that Honda has improved build quality, fuel efficiency, and compliance with new standards, making this bike worth every penny in the long run. To wrap things up, the 2026 Honda CD70 continues the legacy of being Pakistan's most trusted motorcycle. It may not be a bike that wows you with speed or flashy features, but it delivers exactly what the majority of riders want: affordability, economy, reliability, and durability. So, what do you think of the new CD70? Would you buy the 2026 model or stick with an older one? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Future Drive for more updates on the latest cars and bikes.